Can I crack the GATE 2027 exam? And at month is enough for this exam. And many students thinking about this exam, that is at month enough for this exam or not. So hello guys, welcome back once again on this YouTube channel, and I am Nikita and I am completed and graduated 4-year degree BTech program. So and I'm share something about this GATE 2027 exam, and I'm also write this exam 2 times but not clear. I know something is left and I'm not preparing for the GATE, but I'm still, that is key, just go for the exam and write. And also I have a experience of a 2 times GATE exam, and right now I'm preparing for the GATE 2027 exam because I'm really very interested right now. That is key, that GATE exam is really very good for us if you want to be go in a top IITs and IIS for the MTech program, and if you want to like a government servant. So this is a really very good exam for the who's a student who like go for the IITs and go in a government sector. So this is really very helpful, and I'm also want this key. I just study in a top institute like IITs. So right now I'm here totally share roadmap for the at month, and I'm obviously thinking ki that is ki at month is really very enough for this exam. If you want to write this exam, so please prepare still like today. You just started from today, not be late here. Is you still have at month. So this video is really very helpful for all of you. Please watch this video till the end. So here I am just write about what I am just speaking about in this video. So first thing ki what at month is enough for this exam. So yes, obviously this at month is really very enough. And here I am also write this what's the how can we prepare for the GATE exam. So here just write I am a CSE background, so just I write the 11 subjects on this page. 10 subjects is CSE and one is aptitude, terrain aptitude. So here I just write the total 11 subjects. So please write this on a page. If you have if you are a CSE student, then still write like this. And after this I just write the what's the months and what's the days are remaining for this exam. So here daytime I just write the May is remaining is June, July, just to January, because February में तो exam conduct होता है. So after this I just write who's the conducted GATE exam year by years. You just see by years कि 2026 में किसने कंडक्ट करवाया था. इस गुवाहाटी ने, IIT गुवाहाटी ने, एंड उसके I just write the series by years. You just obviously see this my book. I just write all these things, and after this and just dividing the this what's the month and what's the subjects I just reading in these month. So I just write June. In this I just study about the firstly mathematics, and second the C programming language. And I just write similarly in these upcoming months. For the upcoming months, it's really very good and really very helpful for me. If you have it's good or not, so obviously it's really very good to study about your GATE exam. So I just write, and these curriculum are like finish in October. And in these month I just pick up the June month. I still preparing practice on math. I just I pick up the one subject like a math. Still I just firstly focus on like a theory program, the theory part of this math subject, and after this I practice more than in this subject, and single pick up on a single subject, and in this subject you pick up a topic, and this topic you fully prepare like a firstly theory part. You firstly complete the theory part for this topic, and after this you just solve the pyq is really very important for this for every exam, not a GATE exam. pyq is really very mandatory. And after this I just pick up second topic and complete first theory part and then second pyqs, and still I just completed the math part only. And before this I just completed 3 and 4 subjects in a last for when I prepare for the GATE 2026, and I'm right now I'm preparing for the GATE 2027. So here I just prepare for this.